How to add profile photo on Amazon. Are you guys facing issues to add profile photo on your account on Amazon application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Amazon app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top of your screen where you can see username. Tap on it. After you click on it, now again tap on view. Now look right beside your username where you can see this pencil icon, tap on it. You are looking to change your profile photo, right? Click on change profile photo, allow and continue. Again click on allow. Choose the photo from your library. Now choose the photo according to preference. Once you choose it, tap on done. Now click on continue. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna change profile photo on Amazon. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and